Today we have gradients. Gradients. Here is gradients. It's a very simple topic from mathematics. You're gonna love it as we understand and move on with the topic. Then you find it interesting. We have the calculation of a gradient straight line. A gradient straight line. Very simple. The gradient of a straight line can be calculated from any 2 points on the line. The gradient of a straight line can be calculated from any 2 points on the line. We have the illustration as y. We'll give an illustration. Here we have a pointing, and also here we have a point, a straight line here. So for further explanation, let's make use of one example. An example for better understanding. Example 1. Calculate the gradient and join the lines of the value given. We have, see here, we have -2 and -6 here, and we have 3, we have 2. So you may wonder, how do we solve this? But don't be scared, Pepstar is here to help you. Let's go for a solution. Here's the lesson to do. Before we can move further, we have to give this letter their x and their y. We have here as x1, y1. Here's x2, y2. Then we can forge ahead. Next thing to do is to draw your graph line. That's very easy to do. Very easy to do. Here we have our y-axis, and here we have our x-axis. As we know, here is positive, here is negative. Here for x is negative, and here for x is positive. So how do we now put these things into action? Let's draw this well to avoid confusion. Here, let's put the numbers. We have 1, positive y1, positive y2, y3, y4, till infinity, till the number given to you. You can stop at the number given to you. Here, this is where we have to stop for y, positive. Here, we have y -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 for y. Here, we have positive x1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stopping at the number given to you, depending on the number given to you. So don't mix that up. Then here, for x, we have negative -1, -1, -2, -3, -4. So we can stop there. Now, number given here, we have x1, which is -2. So where can we find x negative here? We have x negative here. So we can find -2 here. So let's put something for us to know. Here we have y1 as -6. That is negative sign, negative number, negative value. So what we'll find y negative here. We have it down here. This is it here. This is it down here. -6. This is it. So how do we connect them together? We make use of our broken line. We have this. We have this. Then where we limit, this point where the meet should be seen. It can be an asterisk, or you just shade it. That is points where -2 and -6 meet. Then we have the second one here as 3. -2 is 3, 2 here for y. That's y2 and 2, x2 and 3. So how do we do it on that graph? For y, we have y2 here, which is the positive here. So let's put our circle for us to know. And y2 and x, we have 3 as positive. So let's put a circle for us here to know. So how do we join them together? With our broken line. This is the point where they are joined together. So it's either asterisk or shaded. So how do we do this? From here or from any angle, you draw this line together. And yes, we've gotten how to join the lines. Here, we've gotten how to join the lines. Now for further calculation, here we have to calculate it directly. We have our y2. This is the formula. For you to understand better, m, anywhere m is given, it is gradient. And where m is given, it represents gradient. And when you say gradient, it also means m, so don't be confused. So, move to the next level. To find the gradient directly, we have our formula as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So these values, we have to put them into action. Explain this off first, half space. I believe we understood that. So y2, we have y2 as 2, with our sign, which is negative here, minus. y1 here, where's y1? We have y1 here as -6. We have negative here, negative here. So this will be put into brackets in order to avoid confusion. Over x2, where we have our x2, we have our x2 here as positive 3. Put it down here with the same sign, which is negative, minus, for subtraction. Then we also have our x1 as -2. We'll do the same as we did here. Putting this minus into bracket. We have -2. So how do we calculate this? Remember, in mathematics, minus times minus, we give you plus. Plus times minus, we give you minus. Minus times plus, we give you minus. Plus times plus, we give you plus. How do you forget that? So let's move to the next level. I want us to get it, that's why I did that illustration. So here, we have minus times minus. It will give us plus, just as shown earlier. We have 2 plus 6. Over, same here, minus times minus, will give us plus. So we have 3 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Over, 3 plus 2 will give us 5. And this is our final answer. But if this is also an even number, we can as well divide them to the lowest term. But there's nothing that can divide 5 without a remainder. So this is our final answer. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy this video. But if you do not understand, if you have any other further question, you can just please ask me in a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye for today.